Hey there, mystery lovers. Ever looked up at the sky and wondered what secrets it holds? Well, today, I'm taking you on a thrilling journey with some of the most stunning drone shots that hide intriguing mysteries. Ready to solve some puzzles? Let's go. First up, we've got the ghost town of Bodie, California. From 12,000 feet in the air, this place looks eerily deserted. But what if I told you that Bodie wasn't always a ghost town? Back in the late 1800s, it was a booming gold mining town, bustling with life and of course a fair share of secrets. What happened here? Why did everyone leave? Maybe those drone shots can give us a clue. Now shifting gears to the mysterious Nazca lines in Peru. These enormous geoglyphs, only visible from high up in the sky, have baffled scientists for decades. Are they alien runways, ancient astronomical calendars, or something else entirely? Whatever the truth is, the Nazca lines are a perfect blend of art and enigma. Let's fly over to the Bermuda Triangle next. This infamous section of the Atlantic Ocean is notorious for vanishing ships and planes. Some say it's due to magnetic anomalies, while others believe in more supernatural explanations. As our drone glides over these waters, you can't help but wonder what lies beneath. Is it just treacherous waters, or something more otherworldly? And now, let's visit the hauntingly beautiful ruins of the ancient city of Petra in Jordan. Carved into rose-red cliffs, Petra is a marvel of human ingenuity and a testament to the mysteries of ancient civilizations. How did they build such an intricate city with the technology of their time? The aerial views are breathtaking, but they also leave us with so many questions. Finally, we'll end our journey in the lush and dense forests of the Amazon. From above, it looks like an endless sea of green, but hidden within are countless secrets. Uncontacted tribes, undiscovered species, and ancient ruins waiting to be found. The Amazon is a living, breathing mystery. So, mystery lovers, what do you think? Did these drone shots stir your curiosity? Remember, the world is full of hidden wonders just waiting to be unveiled. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your mind open to the mysteries around us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling adventures. See you in the next video.